Hello, I'm Holtham. Welcome to another program in the Makita How It Works series. In this one, I want to show you the EX2650LH split shaft multi-use ground care machine. And this consists of a powerful engine unit onto which you can then quickly attach a range of 5 different attachments. So there's a brush cutter, a line trimmer, a pole saw, a pole hedge trimmer, and a very useful cultivator. At the heart of the EX2650 is Makita's patented high-technology 4-stroke 24.5cc MM4 engine, and this incorporates several design innovations to guarantee more horsepower, more torque and more reliability than the same capacity 2-stroke engine, but at the same time dramatically reducing exhaust emissions, cutting fuel consumption, lowering noise and limiting vibration. It's also the smallest and the lightest in class amongst equivalent 4-stroke engines. The advanced design of the engine uses a patented pressurized lubrication system, so the machine can be used at any angle without oil starvation damaging the engine. And this allows you to work safely on banks or steep slopes, or even with the machine inverted for extended hedge cutting or tree pruning. A 4-stroke engine like the MM4 has several significant advantages over a 2-stroke. It delivers its torque over a much wider engine speed range than a noisy 2-stroke, as this needs to run at maximum RPM to generate performance. The more controlled engine speed reduces fuel consumption, as the engine doesn't need to run at maximum throttle all the time, and fuel consumption can be 40% less than the equivalent capacity 2-stroke. Also, by saving the cost of the oil additive required for a 2-stroke engine, overall running costs can be as much as 60% lower over a 3-year period, and you don't have the issue of having to mix fuel and oil, so it's far quicker to refuel and there's no risk of damaging the engine with an incorrect mix. The fuel tank is leak proof and self-ventilating even when it's tipped on its side, and it's also very accessible, which makes filling easier. A neat primer pump fills the fuel chamber. You don't have to prime it by putting on the starter cord, so it's quick and easy to start. You'll also notice how very much quieter this machine is, and that's very important when you're using it for prolonged periods, and it's less disturbing if you're working in built-up areas or parks. Lower running revs also means less vibration is generated, protecting the operator from the risks of HAVS. Exhaust emissions should be between 55 and 80% lower from the MM4 engine, so it easily meets the ever more stringent emission regulations, and in fact the 24.5cc engine emission level is nearly 50% below the regulation standard. Finally, there's less maintenance. Just keep the engine oil level topped up through the filler spout using the bottle supplied. A transparent window on the spout allows for a very quick external check of this level. The machine has a fuel tank capacity of 0.6 litres, and thanks to the compact and lightweight MM4 engine, it weighs just 4.6 kilos. The ergonomically designed loop handle, with its rubberized soft grip, gives comfortable control of the tool and maximizes stability. The throttle and the on-off control are conveniently placed in the rear handle, and a lever-style lock system allows for quick and easy fitment of the various attachments. It couldn't be easier. Push the red button to remove a tool, then insert the next one until it clicks and lock with a lever. The drive shaft automatically mates up with that of the attachment. So let's take a quick look at the various attachments. The brush cutter will take a variety of cutting blades for harder vegetation, or it can be fitted with a bump feed line spool for cutting grass and softer material. The protective guard can be altered to suit the particular application. The bent shaft line trimmer is perfect for tidying up long grass and edges. The pole saw, with its 255mm cutting bar, is ideal for pruning low branches up to 15 centimeters in diameter. Its versatility can be further extended by fitting the 1 meter extension pole to give that extra reach for taller trees. The hedge trimmer is perfect for work on tall hedges and shrubs. The angle of the head is fully adjustable, and it will rotate to 90 degrees for top cutting, and again its reach can be extended with the extension pole. The twin rotor cultivator makes short work of soil preparation around the garden, and particularly for work preparing seed beds. So that's the EX2650LH, and its range of very useful attachments. It's perfect for any type of ground care and gives you the complete versatility with the optional range of tool attachments. Or the engine unit is available complete with a brush cutter attachment as model EX2650LH, supplied in one neat package with a carry bag that will take extra attachment and the maintenance tools. It's space saving for transportation in smaller vans or a car boot and for storage. And of course, being Makita, this is a professional quality tool built to the highest standards. I'm Holtham. Till next time, bye bye for now.